Are you designing your dream kitchen but afraid of making an expensive mistake? A kitchen is not just about beauty. If the layout is wrong, even the most beautiful kitchen can feel frustrating to use every single day. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful kitchen design tips that most homeowners ignore and later regret. Let's make sure your kitchen works for your lifestyle, not against it. Step 1. Layout. The most important foundation is your kitchen layout. Always think about the work triangle: refrigerator, sink, and stove. These 3 points should flow naturally. If they're too far apart or blocked, cooking becomes stressful. Avoid placing the refrigerator in the center of that triangle, and make sure your walkway has at least 4 feet of clearance so cabinets and drawers can open easily. Step 2. Space. More space doesn't always mean better design. Smart space matters more. If your kitchen is small, combine your dining table with your island or peninsula. Use corner storage solutions for L-shaped or U-shaped kitchens. You can also add chopping boards over the sink or cooktop for extra prep space. Don't waste your backsplash. Use it for storage. Step 3. Height. Appliance height affects comfort and safety. If you bake often, install your oven at eye level to avoid bending with heavy trays. For smaller kitchens, under-counter ovens can work, but think about what you cook most. Also follow the correct height between your hood and cooktop for proper ventilation. Step 4. Storage. Organized storage changes everything. Place cooking utensils near the stove. Keep dining cutlery closer to the outer area. If you're right-handed, store tools on your right side for easier access. Use pull-out drawers for heavy items instead of deep cabinets. Step 5. Lighting. Lighting is not just decoration, it's safety. Never rely only on ceiling lights. Add lighting under overhead cabinets to avoid shadows while prepping food. Good lighting makes your kitchen look modern, but more importantly, it protects you while cooking. Remember, a perfect kitchen is not just beautiful, it's functional, comfortable, and designed around your daily habits. If this helped you rethink your kitchen design, make sure to like and subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more smart home improvement tips. See you in the next video.